All right, hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how to put these masks together real quick. I just made this little pattern. This is 9 inches, this is 6 inches, and then I just have this here as a guide to how long I need to measure my elastic. So I have 2 pieces of elastic, and then I already have my 2 pieces cut. I'm using a softer fabric for the part that actually touches the face, and then this is a little bit more rough but still a good piece of fabric. So yeah, I'll show you the next step. It's hard to see, but that's 6.5 inch elastic. All right, so I have my 2 pieces of fabric. I'm gonna put the right sides together, and then on the long side I'm going to start about halfway down. I'm going to come all the way almost to the edge. Then I'm going to take my elastic, put it inside here, kind of at an angle there. So around this corner. Get almost to the edge, I'm going to pull that elastic back through here, and again put it in this corner. So see how it's looping through like that. And then also around this corner. And I'm going to do this nice long stretch. This corner, I'm going to take my second piece of elastic, again put it kind of at an angle. None of this has to be like super perfect or anything. Go around this corner, all the way down this way. Again, when I get down here, reach back in here and grab the other end of this and do the same thing that I did on the other side. Go around this corner. And that's where I started, but I want to give myself a good amount of space so that then I can turn it inside out to look like this. And then I'll show you the next step. I've got this. So I'm gonna make 2 pleats here. I find it's easiest to iron this, and it's actually faster, I think, than pins. But I'm gonna make two pleats on both sides. And I'm gonna iron that down. All right, so now I have my pleats. Now we'll go back to the same. All right, now I've got my pleats. I'm gonna sew these pleats shut. My machine is not super heavy duty, so I gotta go kind of slow on those pleats. So I'm gonna sew up this edge. Across. I'll turn it. Do these pleats. And then remember where you pulled it through. This is also going to close that. fine because I went all the way around. So now I have, oh,